Today we're making Mango Habanero Ice Cream. This is super easy to make and tastes great. Let's turn up the heat. There's only 5 ingredients you'll need. You'll need 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's the sweetened kind. You'll need 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. You'll need about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll need a mango. And you'll need about 5 to 6 habaneros. First, you're going to cut up the mango. Make sure to remove the pit and the skin. After your mango's cut, use a spoon to help scrape it out of the skin. And then add everything to a blender. After your mango's cut up and added to the blender, go ahead and cut off the stems of your habaneros and add those as well. Once the habaneros are added, go ahead and blend until smooth. Next, take your heavy whipping cream and pour it into a mixing bowl. And then using a whisk, just kind of whip this until it starts to get a little bit thicker in consistency. You know your heavy cream's done being whipped when you can move it around and it's kind of the consistency of whipped cream. Now after you do that, you're going to add your sweetened condensed milk. So just go here and... Now this stuff's kind of thick, it's kind of like the consistency of pudding. So you're going to have to really work it to get it in there. And then also go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of your vanilla extract. Just like that. Now go ahead and use your whisk to mix this stuff in. And just mix this in for about a minute until it's a nice even consistency. Once it's a nice even consistency, go ahead and add your habanero peppers and the mango that's in your blender. So go ahead and pour that in. You can use like a spatula or something if you want to get all of it out, but if there's a little bit left in there, it's not a huge deal. Just like that. And then we're going to take this and then again just kind of mix this in until it's nice and smooth. So stir it for about a minute. After that's all mixed together, go ahead and pour it into like some sort of a dish. Metal dishes work really well because they freeze it a lot faster than plastic will. So this is just a bread pan. I find this works pretty well for the size of it. So go ahead and just kind of pour your whole thing into this bread pan, or whatever container you're using, doesn't have to be a bread pan. And then I'm going to use this spatula just to get all the extras on the side out. Just like that. Then go ahead and just kind of even it out. And now all you have left to do is place this in your freezer for about 4 to 5 hours or until it's frozen solid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know what you thought of this recipe down in the comments. And make sure to check back next week for more.